Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 no signal issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this signal issue, first of all, swipe down and open Control Center and turn on data. After turning on data, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here open apps. Now in apps, click on this option icon and from here turn on show system apps. After turning on, scroll down and from here open SIM toolkit. Now go to the storage of SIM toolkit and then clear the app data and cache memory of SIM toolkit. After that, go back to settings and open general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset and then in reset click on reset network settings. Now again click on reset settings to confirm. Now enter your lock screen passcode here.